our channel Nifty Buddy. I'm your buddy Savinaya.
I'm buddy Pranavshan.
Pranav, do you know what we're going to do in today's video?
Our own homemade thermometer.
Yeah, so in today's video, Pranav and I are going to do an experiment on how to make our own DIY thermometer. So let's get started. Over here I have some blue colored food coloring. I have this bottle which I have taken some water which is at room temperature. I have this container which I'm going to fill with hot water, and over here, Pranav,
Straw.
And
Clay dough. Chapati clay dough.
we can use clay or dough.
And hand sanitizer.
Yes, hand sanitizer. So now over here, I'm going to fill this container with hot water. Make sure you do it in the presence of an adult. So now I have filled this with some hot water. Next I'm going to add some food coloring in the bottle.
Sanitizer. 2 tablespoons. Lot of soap.
Next I'm going to add some hand sanitizer. Make sure you add around 2 tablespoons. Then add first. So over here, I'm taking my straw and taking my dough. Next, I'm making it round in a ball and making a hole in the center so that I can put the straw in between. And then now, I'm pressing it. Next, place the straw in such a way that it does not touch the bottom of the container. And now seal the opening with dough. Okay. So friends, I've sealed it properly now, and then I'm going to place it in this container. Now we have to observe what happens.
Wow, look at what is coming up.
Yes. Friends, do you see the blue color water coming up over here in the straw? It's cool, isn't it? But do you know why this happens? Now, let's see why this happens. A thermometer is a glass tube that is sealed at both its ends and is partly filled with liquid such as mercury. The bottom of the thermometer is round like a bulb which holds the liquid. When the temperature around the bulb increases, the liquid gets hotter and expands, thus pushing up into the tube. So this is how a thermometer works. It's cool, isn't it?
Why did you use sanitizer when it used mercury though?
Yes, Pranav, it's a good question. Friends, a thermometer has a mercury which raises up according to the increase in the temperature. But in this experiment, we used hand sanitizer to make our DIY thermometer. Over here, we used hand sanitizer because of the presence of alcohol in it. When alcohol comes in contact with hot water, it evaporates quickly. Thus, it helps the process take place more faster.
But why we use food coloring?
Now, I think you can answer that question yourself.
Okay, I know. Because we can use food coloring to see well in video.
Correct. Pranav meant to say that we use food coloring so that the process is seen more clearly. Isn't it, Pranav?
Yep.
So friends, this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel to keep us motivated to make more such fun videos. Till then, let's play,
Let's go
learn
and hear together.
Bye-bye.
Bye.